7 or 8 years ago, I bought myself my very first overlocker, or as it's affectionately called, the Overlord. Can you believe that it took me until last summer to finally get to know how to use it properly? I can honestly say this beauty has changed my life completely. Taking a course to get to understand how to use it properly was one of the best things I could ever do. After all, ask yourself this question: why would I want to drive half an hour to my nearest department store, fight my way through crowds and hordes of people, squeeze into the tiniest changing room I could possibly imagine, and try on heaps of jersey clothes, when in just 2 hours I could make myself something as gorgeous as this? Now, there's always a downside to something positive. This beast is quite heavy. I had to lug him to college for 5 whole mornings, 5 whole weeks. Into the car, out of the car, back into the car, out of the car. That's a lot of work. I had to share my course time with 10 or 12 other people, which meant although I had a whole 2 hours, I didn't really get a lot of time with my teacher. I had to take 5 mornings off work. All in all, it was a bit of a faff, but it was a fantastic course. So what did I do? The Overlord and I recruited the teacher, and now she works for me. So if you want to learn to love your overlocker, you can join our fantastic tutor in my studio in a small group of only 6 students and spend the entire day learning your way around your machine. I promise you, you won't regret it. It could be the one thing that changes your life too.